Understanding Jesus' declaration in Matthew 11:27. Welcome to this exploration of one of the most profound declarations made by Jesus. Found in Matthew 11:27, "No one knows the Father except the Son." This passage captures the essence of Jesus' unique relationship with God, the Father, and stands as an invitation for each of us to seek a deeper understanding of the divine. Join us as we delve into the layers of meaning within this scripture, its significance for Christians, and its relevance to our everyday lives. To fully grasp the weight of Jesus' words, it is crucial to place them within their historical and cultural context. In Matthew 11, Jesus addresses a diverse audience, including his disciples and the general public. Amidst skepticism and varying degrees of faith, he speaks of his unique relationship with the Father, asserting his divine authority to proclaim the truths of God. This context brings to light the radical nature of his statement that only he, the Son, has true knowledge of the Father. At the heart of this passage is the divine relationship between Jesus and God, the Father. Unlike any human relationship, this connection is characterized by perfect unity and understanding. Throughout the New Testament, Jesus continuously highlights his intimate knowledge of the Father and vice versa. This relationship is not only integral to the identity of Jesus, but also pivotal to the foundation of Christian belief. By claiming such a relationship, Jesus underscores his divine nature and serves as the ultimate revelation of God. What does it mean when Jesus declares, "No one knows the Father except the Son"? This statement underscores an exclusivity of knowledge, one that is grounded in the divine nature of their relationship. Jesus is not merely a prophet speaking on behalf of God. He is the Son who possesses an unparalleled understanding of God. For believers, this exclusivity becomes an assurance that through Jesus, they too can come to know the Father. It is a profound reminder that the pathway to divine truth and understanding is accessed through Christ. In claiming this exclusive knowledge, Jesus also highlights his authority to reveal the Father to others. This authority is not derived from human wisdom or achievement, but is inherent to his nature as the Son of God. By stating that he reveals the Father to whom he chooses, Jesus expresses a form of divine sovereignty, guided by grace and love. This revelation is a gift, offering a glimpse into the character and will of God. The authority of Jesus as the revealer paints him as the bridge to divine knowledge and relationship. One of the key roles of Jesus highlighted by this passage is his function as the mediator between God and humanity. Unlike earthly mediators, Jesus bridges a gap far greater, reconciling humanity with a holy and loving God. His mediatory role is founded upon his unique knowledge and intimate relationship with the Father, underscoring the theological significance of his earthly mission. This aspect of divine mediation offers believers assurance of access to God, fostering a deeper connection with the Creator through his Son. Jesus' words, though steeped in exclusivity, also extend a profound invitation to intimacy with God. By acknowledging his role in revealing the Father, he invites each of us to seek a personal relationship with God, characterized by closeness and understanding. This invitation calls believers to move beyond religious practice into an experiential knowledge of God through Jesus. It is an invitation marked by love, promising that those who earnestly seek will be drawn into this divine relationship, experiencing the fullness of God's presence. Central to this passage is the affirmation of Jesus' divine nature. His words reveal not just a man of profound teaching, but one who is deeply aware of his divine identity and mission. Understanding his nature as both fully human and fully divine is pivotal for believers, as it affirms the credibility and authority of his teachings. The recognition of Jesus' divinity invites believers to trust in him, not just as a historical figure, but as the living Son of God who actively reveals the Father. The implications of Jesus' declaration are far-reaching for Christians. This passage calls for a response that moves beyond intellectual assent to a transformation of heart and life. The believers are called to engage with the truth of who Jesus is, opening their hearts to the transforming power of his love and guidance. By embracing this truth, believers are encouraged to live out their faith authentically, cultivating a relationship with God that informs every aspect of their lives. Revelation is a central theme in Matthew 11:27, as it explores who Jesus chooses to reveal the Father to and why. This divine unveiling is a gift, one that relies not on human merit, but on Jesus' gracious choice. Understanding revelation as a relational act, rather than a transactional one, allows believers to appreciate it as a vital part of God's nature and intention for humanity. It encourages a posture of humility and openness, recognizing that the knowledge of God is both profound and transformative. The passage creates a stark contrast between human wisdom and divine revelation. Human wisdom, often limited and fallible, pales in comparison to the profound insights and transformative power of divine revelation. Jesus' words encourage believers to seek divine wisdom, which transcends human understanding and leads to a deeper knowledge of God. This pursuit involves a shift from relying on one's own understanding to trusting in God's perfect wisdom revealed through Jesus Christ. By declaring his unique knowledge of the Father, Jesus aligns his mission on earth with God's redemptive plan for humanity. His words serve as a testament to his role in unfolding salvation history, where revealing God's nature becomes an essential part of his mission. This fulfillment assures believers of the divine plan at work, inviting them to participate in this redemptive journey. Understanding Jesus' mission underscores the commitment to living out one's faith in light of the greater work of God. Reflecting on this passage invites believers into a personal journey of discovering their relationship with God. It encourages introspection on how this intimate knowledge of God, as revealed through Jesus, influences their faith and daily life. Through prayer, meditation, and study, believers can deepen their understanding and grow in their relationship with the Father. This personal reflection is transformative, inviting individuals to experience the profound love and grace of God more intimately. While personal reflection is essential, understanding this passage also benefits from the insights of faith communities. Engaging with others allows for diverse perspectives and collective wisdom that enriches one's comprehension of such profound truths. Whether through church discussions, small groups, or online collaborations, shared discourse brings clarity and encouragement. This communal approach honors the biblical tradition of learning within community and fosters deeper spiritual growth. Throughout this video, you'll notice the use of compelling visuals designed to illustrate and enhance the narrative. Visual storytelling helps illuminate theological concepts, making them accessible and engaging. It's one thing to hear about Jesus' divine relationship with the Father. It's another to see it represented through art, imagery, and symbolism. These visuals serve as a bridge from the abstract to the concrete, assisting viewers in grasping the depth of the divine mystery being discussed. Narration plays a crucial role in bringing the story to life, guiding viewers through complex theological ideas with clarity and insight. Through thoughtful and engaging narration, the audience is led on a journey of discovery, connecting historical and biblical context with modern-day application. This narrative approach ensures that the message is not only heard, but resonates on a personal level, inspiring deeper reflection and understanding. A key goal of this video is to present its message in a way that is accessible and insightful for viewers from various backgrounds. By avoiding jargon and focusing on clear communication, we aim to make the profound truths of Matthew 11:27 relatable and understandable. This approach is inclusive, ensuring that regardless of one's prior knowledge, they can fully engage with and understand the message being shared. As we explore Jesus' declaration in Matthew 11:27, several themes emerge: divine relationship, exclusivity of knowledge, authority, revelation, and invitation to intimacy. These themes are foundational not only to the passage, but to the Christian faith as a whole. Understanding their interconnection allows believers to appreciate the depth of their relationship with God and the transformative impact of Jesus' teachings. Inspired by this exploration, viewers are encouraged to take tangible steps to engage more deeply with the passage. This could include setting aside time for meditation on the text, participating in study groups, or journaling about personal insights. These actions provide practical avenues for applying the truths uncovered, fostering a living faith that continually seeks to know God more deeply through His Son. For those inspired to delve deeper, the video offers suggestions for additional resources such as books, online articles, or theological courses. This invitation for further exploration acknowledges that understanding is an ongoing journey, one that benefits from continued study and reflection. It encourages viewers to stay curious and open, continually seeking to deepen their knowledge and relationship with God. A brief look at historical interpretations of this passage reveals a rich tapestry of theological thought. Across centuries, theologians have explored the dimensions of Jesus' divine knowledge and relationship with the Father, contributing to a deeper understanding of its significance. By appreciating historical perspectives, viewers can gain a broader context and appreciation for the depth of this biblical truth. Bringing Jesus' declaration into contemporary context, the video considers how his words apply to modern believers facing today's challenges. It examines the enduring relevance of this passage, offering insights on how Christians today can live out the truths of Matthew 11:27 in their personal, communal, and societal lives. This application underscores the timeless nature of Jesus' teachings and their power to transform lives across different eras. Interwoven into the exploration are testimonies or stories from individuals who have experienced a deeper relationship with God through Jesus. These stories highlight the personal impact of understanding one's divine relationship and serve as inspiration for others on their faith journey. Personal testimonies provide relatable narratives that reinforce the truth and power of the teachings covered. To foster engagement, the video includes opportunities for viewers to participate in discussions, whether online or within their local communities. Suggested formats include calendar sessions or discussion groups that facilitate sharing of insights and questions, encouraging communal learning. This interactive segment emphasizes the importance of dialogue in deepening understanding and retaining spiritual truths. The video ends with a set of reflection questions aimed at provoking deeper thought and personal insight. These questions encourage viewers to ponder what they've learned, how it applies to their lives, and the areas where they might seek further growth. Reflection questions serve as prompts for ongoing meditation and action, making the journey of understanding both personal and continuous. As we conclude our exploration of Matthew 11:27, we're reminded of the incredible depth and beauty within the words of Jesus. This passage invites each of us into a deeper understanding of God through the unique and revelatory relationship with Jesus Christ. It encourages us to embrace an authentic faith, grounded in divine love and knowledge. The careful use of visuals and music throughout the video aims to create an emotional connection, enhancing the intellectual insights with an experiential dimension. This approach seeks to resonate with viewers on multiple levels, fostering a fuller engagement with the message. Emotional impact is an invaluable part of the storytelling process, linking head and heart in the journey of faith.